the camera on. Oh, okay. So okay, jonga guys, ngimthabo lapha. I'm sure nilapha ngikona. Thabo lapha like umuntu wabantu wena. Like ulapha nathi elokishini. You're always here. I was almost puppies wena. You're not in the Gauteng, ne? But nilapha guys, new show guys. Subscribe, hit the like, hit the mic. It's not a mic. Support your boy, Thabo lapha. Type shit. Also, but jonga guys man, like ishow yam entsha siqala yona ngoku. Phone of a legend, phone kaThabo lapha. You know me, I'm always changing phones, changing the tone. Yabona ne, ngoku we're about to call our first ever guest, yabo. I'm happy that I find nezin guests amna vela zela zotheleka kum, as if like I'm not a professional. Leno ndiyenzayo yomosha. Kaloku ndi-professional moshist mna. Ungalinga lokhu. Ima ndimkhole ngoku.
Ibi nale nkqubo na. Se. Oh, nansi se. Nkqubo foni.
Hayi man, ayi lona mumu na. Ho. Benditheni ku. Benditheni imaqala, benditheni ku. Ha? Benditheni ku.
Uzitho?
Theni zokukhola.
Songikhola.
Zifuna ibe professional looking the way.
Wena. Wena la.
Calm. Ndaphuma kwezo zinto. Ndizama into entsha ngoku.
Uzitho. Oh, nguwe lo uzonginceda apha.
Ewe.
Oh, ekseni.
Ubona kum. New show. Ndibuza le ngantoni? Bana interest haya. Mamela ne, lena ishow yam entsha, maybe ngakunceda le show ne.
So mina ndizanceda nolani wezam phakamani.
Mona kubuza
lo. But ubhuti wakhe akhaba kodwa ngayilana njani no?
No, like I have a bodyguard, I have uvusi, yabo. Like some cover with deep if like into like it's too much. Do you want the way? Do you want the service yet?
Ayifuna lo.
Hayi guys, ngiyabona. Hayi man, be salesman. Man be jonga. Viewers man be salesman bakunje. Fa ngithengisela lo bhuti lo way.
Yeza wena kokweni.
Khawume wena.
Ayilanda.
Khawume bhuti lo.
Kutheni ngo?
Khawume.
Iskipa sami
sister. Anything in this
band. Sister wami yenza imat. Shin. Haya diva. Java nani?
Ngifuna ukubona ke le mazana.
A few moments later.
Kabaleke yakosibaleke.
Oh my god.
On power off.
Pandiaga non.
Foni khula la kapa wena. Ngithemba ukwenu.
Imali kuthekukala. Jonga.
Ndambe nawo iplace security le kosa kanto themba mina lo.
Buze sokuyenza khona. Yava.
Ubilo yami 1000.
Ngingenaphi mina? Ngingenaphi? Bese ngifika wami.
Anyway, hi guys, this was your show. Mona kum phone nabo and uzampuza abantwana abazimina wena. Guys, this is how it goes guys. What you guys learn there? Khamba. Ubuthi nokubiza uvuzi ke mna. Guys, this was uNoni uThabo lapho. Onumona
ngiphipi le jacket man.